Samit Sarkar has joined in. And yeah, we're a couple of minutes early to your appointed time. But Samit, since you have to turn up in the studio, that's fine. What's on heard on the street this morning?
Well, a couple of pure play oil refiners that were buzzing in trade as well yesterday, that is Chennai Petroleum and MRPL. Now, dealers are indicating that smart investors are moving their funds from oil marketing companies to pure play refiners. Now, one of the reasons behind this is the fact that pure play refiners do not have any marketing exposure, so any movement or any sharp spike movement in crude oil prices won't impact them much. And given the fact that refining margins are trending higher, pure play refiners would benefit more out of that. MCX, now there are buy flows on institutional desks. Both FI and DI have been buying this counter. Now dealers are indicating that for MCX as an exchange, the volume number in the month of for the quarter ended June is expected to be very strong. In fact, Morgan Stanley came out with a note today where they have upgraded the rate target price also on MCX. So keep an eye out for MCX as well in trade. Third was Avenue Supermarts and Titan. Now dealers are indicating that large HNIs have been accumulating both these counters on expectation of a strong Q1 FY26 update. Now both the companies would report their update in the next 15 days or so. So keep an eye out for both these counters. Both the counters had actually perked up in trade yesterday. And lastly, it was Polycab. Now, foreign institutional investors have been buying this counter. That is what the dealers are indicating. Dealers are saying that off late, whatever the management commentary has been in multiple conferences, indicate the fact that the first quarter numbers could be very strong for the company. And that is one of the main reasons why foreign institutional investors have been lapping up Polycab in trade.
I have a couple of follow-ups there, Samit. One, you meant Avenue and Trent or Avenue and Titan?
Avenue and Titan.
Titan, okay,
Right.
Because Trent also perked up in trade yesterday, so that was one. Part two of my question, since morning we've been talking about this, that because the longs built up yesterday in the standalone refineries were very sharp, and because crude has fallen quite a bit, there will probably be a knee-jerk negative reaction today. I heard you say in your chat right now that dealing room sources are telling you that earnings growth will still be strong. So are your sources telling you that even if there is a dip, the dip could be contained, or maybe there won't be a dip and the stocks could go up even if the oil prices
for oil marketing companies?
No, for the refiners.
For pure play
Chennai Petro and MRPL.
So yes, Q1 will be very strong for the pure play refiners as well. So yes, there could be some reversal in trade given the fact that oil prices have come down and people would want to buy oil marketing companies given the fact that from $80 we have come down to around 69. So that shift can happen, but yes, earnings could continue to remain strong for pure play refiners as well in the first quarter. Also, a couple of things that I would...
Sorry, just before you... So therefore the cuts, if any today, will be contained. They won't be very sharp.
Yeah, it should not be sharp.
But the point that you were making?
Right. And two stocks that we highlighted last week actually. On Friday, we did highlight that Northern Arc is something that large HNIs have been accumulating, and yesterday it did perk up in trade. At one point of time it was up 10%, and Aventel is one thing that also large HNIs have been getting in given the fact that they're expecting some large order win to come in, and that stock was also up around 7-8%.